Well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. We are here in the Edgewood Senior Living kitchen once again to do a show. We've done many shows from here. We've cooked some food in here and we've also done some tutorials. But today it is to say goodbye to the Edgewood kitchen. I have tendered my resignation with the company and I will be moving on to other opportunities with another company where I will be on the road more. Teaching, training, helping out where I can, unplugging from one place and then moving on to another. So I'll basically be on the road a lot more and not in a kitchen like I am here at Edgewood Senior Living. It's been my duty and a privilege to take care of the greatest generation. I've been doing it for close to 20 years now. In this industry, I was in restaurants before that, but I decided to go into healthcare. And I've been working and taking care of seniors for the last 20 years. I can't say enough about this generation. They fought a world war, they went through a depression, and they came out the other side better for it. We could learn a lot from them and their value system. I just want to say that because I always respected this generation. My parents are part of this generation, and I think we owe them everything that they deserve. And it has been my honor to serve them. I tendered my resignation, and the day that I did that, I also told my staff. I took most of the ones that I work with on a day-to-day basis into a private room and let them know. I put a month notice in. I let them know that I was leaving. Then I put a big note up on the kitchen bulletin board letting the other people know. I'm also leaving one hell of a crew. You are probably one of the best crews that I've actually been able to work with. In my long history career, you've shown the dedication, the commitment, the service, and the integrity that everybody that's in a leadership role in the kitchen asks for, and it took a lot of work to get there. We both know that. They say respect is earned. I don't think that that is more true than in a kitchen, especially in a leadership role. You've got to be able to do everything. You've got to be able to think on the fly, and you've got to be able to make wise, informed decisions. And I'm hoping I did that over the course of the time I've been here. But let me just tell you, ladies, I was damn proud to be your chef, and I'm hoping you make me proud. It's all about awesome, tasty, beautifully presented food and incredible customer service, and you guys have that. Don't ever forget about it, and you will do great. Now, I have 14 employees. Sorry I said ladies, Ron, Ryan, and Daniel. I love you guys too. I have 3 guys on my staff. The rest of them are ladies. That's why I said ladies. But Ron, Ryan, and Daniel, don't forget, you guys were awesome too. All right, to you guys watching, we're going to have a little bit of different thing going on here. I'm still going to be cooking shows from the Orange Room up there in Coon Rapids. But since I'm going to be going on the road, I've given this a lot of thought. You're going to be going with me when I go out to eat at restaurants or anything that's food or culinary or anything to do with things like that. I'm going to take you guys along and do a vlog, so let's look forward to that. Kind of shy about doing things in public with my phone, walking around. Guess I need to get over that if I'm going to do it, but everybody's doing it now, so it's not like I'm standing out. So that's what we're going to be doing with the show. We still will be cooking from the Orange Room there in Coon Rapids, though, so don't leave me because of that. But it's going to get exciting. We have new opportunity, and that's for everybody. So there you go. I'm going to leave a link right about here for a playlist of all the videos that we did out of this kitchen too, so you can check them out. Got some nice food coming out of here, as well as some pretty cool training videos. So give that a look too. All right, so with that, we say goodbye to the Edgewood kitchen. Spent close to 5 years here, and it's got some memories in here that I'm never going to forget. So with that, we say goodbye.